Hey Diamonds, it's your girl Eva Tarae right back at you with yet another video. If this is your first time joining us, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for joining us. Please take a moment to click that subscribe button as well as that notification bell so that you'll become a part of the Diamond Squad and know as soon as I drop another video. Diamonds, I'm going to keep this intro really short, really precise, to the point. I hope you guys are being really safe. COVID-19 is out there. It's real. Please protect yourselves. Diamonds, if you want to see how I got this orange glitter look, now y'all know I don't be dabbing in glitter too much, but I had to do it for the gram. So if you want to see how I did it, you know what to do. Alright Diamonds, first things first, I did apply my base just to make sure that these shadows that I'm applying really pop because I want them super vibrant, and I do like to apply this base with my fingers because I do feel like it goes on a little bit more smoothly. Next, I'm going to set this base with a mineralized powder. I believe I got this one off of Amazon and it works actually quite well. I'm going to pop this vibrant orange slightly in, above, and below my crease using my MAC 433 brush. Up next, I went in with Chromo just to blend out that harsh line. To deepen my crease, I went in with Pumpkin. It's absolutely one of my favorite oranges. It is so pigmented. A little definitely goes a long way with this one. Onto my lid. For that I chose Tune, which is kind of like a yellowy based nude color. I applied this to my middle and inner third using my MAC 233 brush. Now I'm taking 518 and blending that into the inner third of my crease. Hey Diamond, if you're still watching, thank you so much for your love and support. I really do appreciate it, and I would like to show my appreciation by shouting you out. So if you're still listening, go ahead to that description box, drop me 3 diamonds below, and on my next video, I'm going to give you a personal shout out. The base I use for my glitter is a mixture of a clear gel base and my MYX glitter primer. The orange glitter that I'm using is from Ambrosia Cosmetics. It was one of their 10 stacks. I did get this about a year ago. I actually like them. I've dabbled in them a few times, even though, you know, I'm not really a big glitter person. Now I'm at a halfway point on my eyes. I'm going to jump to my face, and I'm going to start off by using my Becca primer. Diamonds, I've been fiending to apply this for some time now. This is one of my absolute favorite foundations. I have it in shade G110. I love the longevity. I love the finish. I love the coverage. It definitely controls my oils. The only thing that annoys me about this foundation is the applicator. I would much prefer a pump. To conceal, I grabbed my Fenty concealer in the shade 390. To blend that out, I wanted to use something different than my Beauty blender, so I did grab my Sephora Airbrush Concealer Brush. It's number 57. To set my concealer, what better to use than my Instant Retouch Setting Powder, and I applied that with my Sonia Kashuk Beauty Blender. Up next, to contour my face, I did go in with my Cover FX palette, and I'm kind of liking this one. To bronze my face, I pulled out my Old Faithful, and y'all, I was going through my extra drawer before recording this look, and I found like 2 more of these. I forgot how ham I went at that CCO. I can't wait to outside open back up. You hear me? To accentuate these cheekbones, I grabbed a random small stippling brush, and I went in with Bora Bora. To highlight, I grabbed my BH Cosmetics 125 brush with a mixture of Barbados and Aruba. Now it's time for my falsies. I did forget where I got these from, but if I remember, I will put that information in the description box below. Lining my waterline with this liner, I really wish I could find a large enough sharpener for this. Diamonds, if you know of any that will fit this really fat pencil, please comment that below. I really need your suggestions. And I'm gonna blend that out a bit with my MAC 219 brush. For a little razzle dazzle, I went in with my box of crayons, the color orange. It has like a sheen, a reflex to it, and I thought it would be great for that inner corner. Last but not least, I've definitely learned over the years that a lip can make or break your whole look. So for this look, I chose to use my NYX liner in Espresso, and then MAC's Choco Tease, and then I put Double Shot dead in the middle. And Diamonds, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial as much as I did. Diamonds, please be safe, take care of yourselves and your family. And Diamonds, as always, until next time.